Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Motorola Moto G73 device. Now I can show you how to make your device faster. So your device starts to slowing down because two reasons. First reason, you have put a lot of it that your device can't handle with it, or you are not taking a good care of it. And now I will show you how to take a good care of your device to make your device always in good condition. Okay, so firstly, open settings and find storage here. As you can see, I have used only 6% of my storage because it's new device, but if you will fill up your storage over 70%, your device will start to slowing down. So remember one rule: never fill up your storage over 70%. 70% it's max. Okay, so try to use your storage in 60 or 65, I don't know, percent, because if you will fill up over the 70, your device will start to slowing down. So here we know the one who invests in device with more storage. The same situation with the RAM. So RAM is temporary storage on your device. Any device, any Android device has RAM, and of course hardware information. For example, as you can see, ROM is my storage. I have 256, and here I have RAM. I have 8 GB of RAM. 8 GB, it's really good size of RAM on Android devices. So you don't need to try to extend this RAM. Of course, you can do it. You can install root access on your device and extend RAM, but I not suggest. I don't suggest you to do it. Okay, so if you have 8 GB, it's really good. 6 GB, it's good too. So you just need to clear your RAM from time to time. To do it, just click on the square button on your home screen and close applications. Great, RAM is freed. Okay, now as you can see here, we have Motorola security application, and here we have our secure folder. I have disabled this feature, but all data you are add to secure folder. All apps you are adding to secure folder are duplicates. Okay, so if you have, for example, Asphalt 9, Asphalt 8 game in normal mode, in normal main menu, and it have a size, for example, 3 GB, and if you have the same game in secure folder, this will contain 3 GB too. So in pair, this will consume 6 GB of your storage. So if you have big files in your private secure folder and in your normal mode, normal folders, normal files manager, so it will duplicate. Okay, so it will contain 2x more space. Great. So the last aspect that can slow down your device is harmful files. To remove junk files from your device, of course, you can install any cleaner application, for example, Avast, AVG, Clean Phone, Phone Cleaner, Clean Master, but you have pre-installed good application to clean trash in your device. So just open Files app, allow all, allow everything, click Clean, and here you will see junk files. As you can see, I have re-upped my device before I have started to record this video, so I have no junk files. So just here click Clean and click Clear. So just do it once a week, once a month, and in this way you will keep your device in good condition. And of course, disable power saving mode, because in power saving mode your device using only 70% of your system performance. So you're losing 30% when power saving mode is enabled. Of course, when you will disable it, you will use your device in full performance. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.